Today I wanted to touch on brain fog, and I hear this a lot from people that it's just like it's getting in the way of their productivity and really frustrating them. And so I wanted to touch on some of the causes of what's going on when you're experiencing brain fog. Now, some women are experiencing it according to where they are in their cycle, and that could be very related to their hormone levels, like low estrogen levels, for example, whether it's a certain part of a woman's cycle or in menopause or perimenopause can cause a lot of brain fog. That said, an imbalance of other hormones like the estrogen to progesterone ratio can also do it. But what's happening for a lot of people when they're experiencing brain fog is generally something to do with their digestive system. And oftentimes that is a little bit of candida or yeast and bacterial overgrowth. Basically, the microbiome is off. So, if you're experiencing it a little bit more when it's humid outside and that's a great environment for bacteria and yeast to thrive, then we have to look at the diet and think about what's going on. And if you are experiencing a lot of brain fog, you really want to be careful not to be eating a lot of things that are going to cause more yeast and bacterial overgrowth. For example, lots of refined carbohydrates, so flour products. You also want to be careful about sugars, sugary drinks, cocktails, and fermented alcohols, so beer, wine. And for some people, it doesn't take much because some people are just more prone to having more bacterial and fungal overgrowth in their body. And a lot of the time, the symptoms aren't very clear. They're really subtle and annoying, like brain fog. Another symptom that you could have is that you could get kind of puffy. So we'll get a little bit more into this in another session, but food for thought, literally and figuratively, is that if you're experiencing a lot of brain fog, don't eat things that are sugary or turn into sugar in your blood fast, or yeasty things or fermented things. These are going to lead to more brain fog, particularly if it's humid weather as we're experiencing now in the Northeast, or if you're just eating these foods on a regular basis and you're prone to it. All right, hope this was helpful.